Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to write perfect VO3 prompts. All right, let's begin. If you're struggling to create cinematic videos with Google VO3, it's likely because you're not structuring your prompts correctly. Random text won't deliver professional results. The key lies in prompt engineering, and in this video, I'll break down the 7 essential elements that make VO3 prompts work like magic. First, define your main character. Who is the focus? It could be a soldier, dancer, robot, or monk. Second, describe the attire. Are they wearing armor, a spacesuit, or traditional robes? Third, set the environment. Are they in a forest, city street, desert, or temple? Fourth, pick a camera style. Think cinematic close-up, drone shot, slow zoom, or first-person view. Fifth, describe the action. What are they doing? Walking, fighting, praying, or dancing? Sixth, add a facial expression. Joyful, angry, calm, or intense. This adds emotion. Seventh, include dialogue if needed. A short phrase can bring the whole scene to life. Here's a real prompt example. A lone samurai in ancient Japan, wearing weathered armor and a red headband, stands in a misty bamboo forest. Slow motion close-up as he draws his katana. Eyes focused with silent determination. He whispers, "Honor is not given. It is earned." So that's basically how you can write perfect VO3 prompts. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.